Welcome back to Hair for Little Girls. Today we have a fun 4th of July hairstyle to share with you. We are going to create a star braid on the back of Annabelle's hair. So keep watching and we'll show you how to do it. First thing that I did was put her hair into 5 ponytails. I have the one up top here, and then I have 2 on the side. And then with the remaining hair, I put it into 2 low pigtails. So you want to do that before you start your braid. So the next thing I'm going to do is wet her hair down. And then I will just comb that hair through. And then I'll divide it evenly. Next, I'm going to start doing a 3-strand braid with this top section of hair. Now I'm going to be connecting this braid down to this bottom ponytail. So just braid down until you get past that bottom ponytail. And then I'm going to take one of my clips and just attach it down here because I'm going to be adding in another ponytail here in a minute. So you just want to repeat that same step on the other side. Once you get past the ponytail, hold it a little bit farther down past the elastic and just clip it in place. Now you're going to go over to this ponytail over here, wet it down, comb it through. Now this one you're going to divide in half as well, because half of it is going to go across here and the other half is going to come down. So you're going to create another braid with half of it, and you want to use the half that's closest to the inside part of the head here. So now with this braid, you're just going to braid until you get over to the other ponytail. And you will hold it on top of that brown elastic you already have in place. And then just take another elastic to add it over the top. Okay. So now you have this braid combined over here, and now we're going to take all of the hair in this right ponytail make sure you wet it down. I'm going to add a little bit of my favorite spray gel to this because this short piece here, I don't want it sticking out. Her hair is pretty long, but if you have shorter hair, you might want to add a little bit of spray gel. Once you have this hair combed out, you're going to do a braid. Your braid, bring it over to this side. Now you're going to attach it down here. So take the clip out that you have in place and just grab those two braids, hold them together, And then with another brown elastic, you're just going to put it on top. So now I'm going to take this other half of the hair that we had left over on this side, and I'm going to start another 3-strand braid. This style is actually pretty easy to do as far as you only have to do 3-strand braids. The tricky part is just remembering where the ponytails go. You can pause the video and come back to it so that you can remember where each braid goes in. So take your braid, move it over to this side, and then take your clip out. Remember you have your 2 braids over here, and just put them where you want them. Now from here you could do a lot of things. You can leave it how it is, or you could take these pigtails and put them into messy buns. You could also just do 3-strand braids down. I think that would look cute. I think for today I'm going to leave them as is. And then I always like to add some bows, but I thought I would use these bows, but I think they're going to be too big for this style. You can click the link below if you'd like to get our bows. We purchased those on Amazon. Okay, so I couldn't find a bow that I liked that was small enough, so I decided to go with ribbon. If you don't have bows you like, ribbon is really inexpensive and it looks super cute. I just have a bunch of different ribbon in all different colors, so I just cut it off whenever we need it. I hope you guys enjoyed this 4th of July star hairstyle. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button below. We post 2 hair tutorials each week on Saturdays and Wednesdays.